Well, I have not done a lot, and it is like, how late is it? It's almost 6 p.m. I wrote this down, and my goal for today is that I have written down all these people. I was writing down the notes when I was like, wait, I know for sure I have written this before. So I looked for it and I found it. These are my notes from last year, because this reset is of a test I failed 2 times last year. And look at how well I made it. I also marked, like I put a square around what was most important. And you know how late it is now? It's 7:30. And I just now realized it. It would have been so much better if I had known this before. Then I wouldn't have stressed so much. But you know, better late than never, right? And now I can just focus on reading this, trying to understand it. I saw that I made it until chapter 15, but I also have chapter 16 and 17. So I'll make those 2 today. I'm back to tell y'all that I got good news. I found chapter 16 and 17. So I got all the chapters. I don't have to worry anymore. This is me at work, and look at what the Dutch weather did to me. I was soaked in water, but I looked very cute. My outfit was okay.
Hello guys, my sister got a package, so she is gonna unbox it for you. She's just opening it. It's a screen glasses. Screen glasses.
Oh.
The other side.
Voor wat? We zijn met de test. Hallo. Don't open my package.
Oh, dat is echt mooi.
Het is hartstikke cute.
Dat is echt een kleur.
You like it?
And then?
This was our fun little segment, and I'm now making chai latte with the coffee machine. And I just continued studying. I made a bunch of exercises and just corrected them. I'm now working on posting my YouTube video, but it's not really going well. Good morning! I cleaned my room and it's now 10 a.m. So I'm going to start studying till 11 a.m. I'm gonna try to do as much as possible. But anyways, here my summary, and these are the exercises I made last what? Last week? No, yesterday. Well, it was last week because it was Sunday. But anyway, I put some formulas here that I forgot. Yeah. I am just going to, because last year our teacher gave us a lot of PowerPoints, and on those PowerPoints you first have like information about the chapter, and then you have a lot of questions that might get asked in the test, and you might think, oh, but might. Well, the questions are for sure going to be in the test, but it's only a matter of which one. So what we do is my goal is to have done all these questions. I have read all the answers, and by 11 a.m. and at 11 a.m. I'm going to leave home, going to bring my bike to how to say that, a repair shop, so because my bike is broken. The one I use is my sister's, so it's about time that I take care of my own one, and I think that I'll be walking to work from there, so that sucks, but it is what it is, because I think having to wait for the bus and the chance of missing the bus is a little too much for me. So I will just go walk to my work. I think that's gonna be what I'm gonna do. I have tea still left from my breakfast. And yeah, I'll just start on that right now, yeah. That's gonna be what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna bring this one to school in case I get hungry. I'm gonna bring water. That will be my snack, I think. And if that's not enough, you can always buy something outside. Well, this looks kind of purplish, but it is beige. Okay, so this, I'm gonna put it in a lunchbox. Because I had one time, I was so hungry, and I was at the exam hall, and there were absolutely no, there were no places to eat, to get something to eat. So yeah. This is one of my favorite noodles. I did add a lot of water though. Oh my god. Oh, there's a. I was sitting in the meantime and the water just all oxidated. That's hilarious. Oh my god. Okay. Here is our noodles. And I'll just add I'll just add the sauce. I have a class in, I think, 13 minutes, and I'll just come in to get my attendance code, and then I'll prepare to leave home. So fun. It's so sad because actually today I had my honors class, but I now cannot attend because I have this reset. And today we were gonna talk about something interesting, and I forgot what it was about, but I knew I really wanted to learn about it. But yeah, it's a bummer, but you know, life goes on. Yeah, maybe I should have removed some more. It's all fine. We try if the noodles is not soggy. It's not soggy.
We're here at the exam place. An hour before I'm supposed to be there. I have to say, it's a little bit scary if you ask my